Hello, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'll show you how to set Firefox as your default browser on your Android phone. If you recently installed Firefox and want to make it your main browser, follow along step by step to complete the process quickly and easily. Open the Firefox browser app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Set as Default Browser. Tap on Set as Default Browser. A system window will appear showing a list of installed browsers. From the list, select Firefox. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Set as Default. And that's it. Firefox is now your default browser on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.